Hi guys, so we have a blind box. That is not real. This is a lotion blind box, but there's no pagpipilian. Because I just gawa it, guys. Let's go unbox it. Sorry guys, we're in Philippines. So yeah, my dad and mom are talking. No, I want my hair is like that. Super. Unbox with me, guys. Sunny Angel. Gusto ko yung color. I want the color orange, pink, and secret. It's not real. Pero I don't know what is the color of this lotion. So yeah, I want the color orange.
Bawa kasi ako ng lotion eh.
Subo.
Yan ako ito kasi nabili tayo na.
It's so hot.
Kumain ka rin. Nagdala ka na ng pagkain dito. Dito ka na kumain.
Wait guys, ASMR. I want to. Oh my god. We're gonna be mad at Zombie. This is the open it.
Ginawa ko ng 3 times yan. 3 times dapat yan eh. Kasi wala nang bigyan ng vitamin C. Yan lang.
Color orange. My favorite color. Yeah. I'm not OA right now. I'm not OA. At meron pang isa. We have unboxed this. Oh my god. Colgate. So, nabawas. Oh my god. I need to part 2 of this. Bye guys. See you later.